YouTube. I bought keyboard from Samsung, Bluetooth keyboard like this for Galaxy Tab S. Yeah, first of all I need some cover, and I see this when I was out on travel. I see this keyboard. It's perfect. So got it today. It's like, looks like this side and this side, like this. Okay. So now I will take it up. It's like this. It's there and there. Cool. See? Perfect. Okay. And what I do next? Back here we have a switch on and off. I put on there. It's on. Turn around, this is blinking, this and I have to do this fingerprint and use Bluetooth there, and there. Soon he will find. Yeah, it's ready, I think, so we can see. Yes, it's binding one time, and that's enough. So this keyboard is fantastic. It looks like it's solid, and it's a perfect traveling for your tab. Really. So we can, it's like a mini computer. Perfect. You can go back to house, back there. It's so cool. The weather. Yeah, so your tab be like a computer, and it's not so extremely bad price too on this. It's okay, really. Yes. There we can. YouTube. It's very nice keyboard. Cool. Backspace. So yeah, you have many opportunities. Very nice. And first of all, when I see this for first time, it was like, it looks very nice too. So take down there, take this down like this, and off here. There, There you have your traveling pockets. See here. Good. So nice. So this is Bluetooth keyboard from Samsung. Very nice product.